guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just did a spring inspired makeup tutorial. This is like a cranberry peachy pinky type of look. You guys will see. I only used one palette, which I feel like is really helpful when people use just one palette, because if you don't have it and you want to get it, it's only one thing that you have to purchase. I used the Oakland matte eyeshadow palette. It's their fire palette, and I got this on shophush.com. I believe it was like $10, but don't let me lie to you. I'll look it up and put it somewhere on the screen. These are like dupes for the Lime Crime palettes, I believe, which I don't own any Lime Crime palettes. Honestly, I really don't own any high-end palettes whatsoever. But let's get into the tutorial. It is a super easy short one, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. I will see you guys in my next spring makeup tutorial.
I know you've been through it. I know you've been going through it. I know these other girls can't do it like I do it. I know you ain't used to it, to the better things. Baby, you deserve the better things. Let me show and prove it. What these other hoes ain't doing, let a real bitch do it like I can. Say how you lay at night.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life